Hi guys, if you wake up and they find water pouring to the pipe on the wall, it's really bad. For this property, it's so bad. The water pouring down is also going into the kitchen, and this water is toilet water. I'm afraid you need to do something quickly. So we called the plumber, came, and he fixed it. Lots and lots of damages to the wall. Even the tiles in the kitchen has all gone soggy. Yeah, as you can see, this is a pipe from the bathroom, the wash hand basin. Yeah, it's terrible, but it's been done now. Yeah, the black metal pipes have now been replaced with plastic ones, and the leaking has stopped. Hopefully, the wall should dry out eventually. Please do like and share my videos, and do subscribe, and I'll show you, send to you the next video, which will be basically showing the damages in the kitchen wall, where the walls behind the tiles became soggy because of the leak. Apart from it, it's now all nice and clean. Take care. Another time. See you.